I want to sell my phone. Nobody coming to my shop.
Cut! He is the phone seller in this drama. Action!
Sir, come sir, please, sir.
Cut! He is the buyer in this drama. He's deaf. Action!
Which one you want, sir?
What?
Which one you want, sir?
Eh?
Sir, which one, sir?
Huh?
Phone, sir, phone.
I want to sparkle phone.
See, sir. This one also, sir.
Yes. Nice.
This one 3,000, sir. This one 10,000, sir.
Huh?
3,000, sir.
Oh, 10,000 only.
Today my luck is very nice. I got 7,000 profit. Sir, 10,000.
Huh? I want to marriage. I want to marriage after my children marriage. After grandchildren marriage.
ఇవన్నీ చేసే మీకు చూరు సార్ ఓకే సార్ సార్ బై సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ సార్ ఐ నాట్ 10,000 సార్ ఆఫర్ 3,000 ప్లీజ్ బై సార్ not 3 rupees, 3,000. Sir, 3,000.
Take what? 3,000. 3,000 only, what?
Three thousand, sir.
3,000 only, what?
Sir, go, sir. All are coming and wasting my time. All are time passing and coming.
Sir. Cut! He is the brain person in this drama. Action!
Sir, show, sir. Sir, sit, sir. Sir, sit, sir. Sit, sir. Sir, understand. Phone, sir.
I want one by sparkle phone.
Sit, sir. Sir! Sir, what's the sit that place, sir? That place. Okay. What are you doing, sir?
I am playing games, yeah.
Playing
Games.
playing games, sir.
Yes.
Playing games, sir.
Yes.
Sir, wait, sir. This one you see, sir. It is very nice game. Sir, games, sir. What are you doing, sir?
Games playing.
One time play, sir. This side, sir. Sir, this one is, sir. Sir. Phone, sir. Phone, sir. What doing, sir?
Playing games.
Sir, wait, sir. This one, 3,000. Only 3,000.
Oh, only 3,000. I changed it. One shop 10,000 note.
10,000 note.
Remaining change is there. Take it.
Yes, sir. 10,000 rupees, very nice. Sir, but I need some change, sir. Keep this. Come, sir. I will show for this money. That place is, see, sir. That place, my phone is, sir. That place, sir. Go, sir. wasting my time. Nobody is buying phones and wasting our time. Again, I want to keep in order.
Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya.
He is a political leader in this drama. Action!
Jai Kavya.
Please vote for my sparkle party.
Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya.
Please vote for
Jai
my
Kavya.
I do 6,000. Please vote for my sparkle party. Yeah.
Now say sir, what?
Told you boy.
You told to 6,000 for your party.
Please vote for my
Jai
sparkle
Kavya.
party.
Jai Kavya. Wait, Kavya.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. All games there, all games.
Loud voice.
Very nice phone, sir. 3,000.
I give 6,000 you.
You, sir.
Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya. Jai Kavya.
What, sir? He gave you money for
6,000 give him.
You waste. You waste.
Please vote for my sparkle
Jai
party.
Kavya.
1 minute. That's the card update, sir.
I will vote for my sparkle party.
I will vote, sir. That's the yes, sir. I will vote, sir.
Please vote for my sparkle
Jai
party.
Kavya.
Please vote for my sparkle party. Yeah. Please vote for my sparkle
Jai
party.
Kavya.
Please vote for
Wasting my time. Again, I want to keep in order. Nobody buying phones. Sir, how much is it, sir? 6, sir. Phone, sir. This is one, special phone, sir. This one, Chainam.
He is the character in this drama. Action!
Chainam mobile, sir. This one, special phone, sir. Sir, what doing, sir?
I am checking this.
Sir, see one by one, sir.
No boy. I have not time.
Time. Where are you going to begging? Begging, ah? You are a beggar, ah?
Sir, I have one sparkling phone in there Power Star Pawan Kalyan using. Sparkling phone. Power Star Pawan Kalyan.
What phone can you, sir?
You waste, you don't know Power Star Pawan Kalyan. How you giving cell points?
Yes, sir. Which movie, sir?
Sir. RD House, Rootwear, Power RD House, Rootwear. Yes, sir.
That movie? Okay, sir. This one movie, sir.
RD House, Rootwear.
That one.
Power Star Pawan Kalyan.
You went to movie?
Ah,
Very nice, sir.
very nice.
Cost
200 rupees ticket.
200 rupees. Which theater, sir? Which theater, sir?
Anu Deluxe.
Oh. Sir, this phone is only 3,000. Sir, one phone after one phone, see, sir. Sir, one after one, see, sir. Sir, one after one, see, sir. Sir. Sir, भैया order, see, sir. भैया order. How much time? You are a beggar. I also invited you to buy this phone.
Hey, I am fan of Powerstar phone kaya. Were you kidding me?
Sir, I went to cinema with 200.
But you are not buying any phone.
You are wasting my time.
Checking phones by
Checking phone. You are a checker.
Yes.
Go.
Hey, you
Hey, come assistant, come.
Hey, you fast
Go ahead, go. Beggar is coming, blind person is coming, all are coming, nobody coming. I want to go out and sell my phones. Hey, one person I have got. Sir.
What happened to you?
Mosquito kissing, sir.
What?
Mosquito, sir.
Sir, wait.
Wait, sir. 1 minute. Phone, sir. All there. Very nice.
Cut! He's the farmer in this drama. Action!
What have you in this course?
All features. You can call, video calling, 3G, all there, sir.
Anyone not tell no boy?
Lock it, sir. This one,
What?
Lock it phone.
You mean one clock, that one lock, that one only?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait. This one not coming now.
What doing, sir?
Hot.
That's not, sir. This one, phone lock. It's like this, sir. It's like, sir. It's like it. That one lock. This one calling also there, sir. Calling. Number say, sir. I will call, sir. Wait. Number say, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 10, 11, 12, 13. Over.
How much class you study, sir?
9th class.
9th class.
Yes.
What a knowledge. What a general. Very nice, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. What you say, sir? That like not the phone number, sir. Phone number.
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2, 1, 11,
11. Okay, sir.
12.
Sir, phone number, sir.
Phone number
Phone number.
9, 970.
Sir, one time that show, sir, your friend phone number.
Phone number.
What, sir, taking all these photos? What is your name, sir?
My name is Gajini.
What is your name, sir?
I am he from Gajini.
Oh, very nice. Very nice, sir.
99.
What, sir, these are all
Photos bad.
photos, sir. What doing, sir?
Memory ille. This one.
That one, How, sir?
Not going God boy.
Going, sir?
Not going.
Now go. Sir, that one will not go, sir.
Hello?
Very nice.
If your character over, then come inside.
This one, I
No need to stand
number
outside.
type of
Character over, come inside.
Sir, talk sir, I will come in 5 minutes.
Hello?
Hello?
Gopi?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm Sivan.
What?
Yeah.